Is your Mac Mini screen looking washed out or faded? This usually happens because of incorrect display settings, color profile issues, or an outdated Mac OS. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a washed out screen on your Mac Mini. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Unplug and plug HDMI cable. First, unplug the HDMI cable from both the Mac Mini and the monitor. Then wait a few seconds. Then plug it back in. And make sure to plug it in properly. Solution 2. Adjust display settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Then click on the system settings, and after that, click on display from the right sidebar. Now make sure to select the refresh rate to lower, like from 120 Hz to 144 Hz down to 75 Hz. And also make sure the resolution is set to default. If you have the high dynamic range option, then disable it if enabled. Solution 3. Check software update. Open up the settings, then tap General, next tap Software Update. If you see any updates available there, then install it. Solution 4. Boot into safe mode. Turn off your Mac. If you are still unable to shut down due to some startup issues or phrasing issues, then press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. To power off, then wait for another 10 seconds. Now press and hold the power button until the startup disk and some options appear. Now release the button. Next, select your startup disk. After that, press and hold the shift key. You will see a button called Continue in Safe Mode. Click on it, wait for a while, you will see your login screen. After successfully doing it, you can see a red color Safe Boot text in the top right corner. Now log in to your accounts, and that's it. Hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.